Hello and welcome to the GW Bulletin, the daily dose of geospatial news on GW Prime Live. I'm Jeffy Jacob, and here are the latest happenings. The European Commission launched the first version of Destination Earth, or Destin E, an AI powered simulator that looks to improve the accuracy of climate predictions. The first version of Destin E includes two models, one for extreme weather events and another for climate change adaptation. These models will monitor, simulate, and predict the Earth's climate in great detail. Destiny is powered by Europe's high performance computers, including the Lumi supercomputer in Finland. The developers have combined this with AI to boost data processing speeds. The WMO Executive Council has approved a global greenhouse gas watch implementation plan to strengthen monitoring of heat trapping gases, which are driving climate change. The implementation plan envisages a staged approach starting with a pre operational phase from 2024 to 27. The system will be built on the basis of the long term efforts of WMO in coordination of greenhouse gas observations and research. The initial focus will be on the three most important greenhouse gases influenced by human activities, namely carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Adani Defense and Aerospace has signed a cooperation agreement with Edge Group, a global technology and defense organization based in the United Arab Emirates. The agreement will create a global platform that utilizes the defense and aerospace strengths of both companies by combining product portfolios. This includes evaluating cooperation across Edge's and Adani's core product domains, including missiles and weapons, covering airborne, surface, infantry, ammunition, and air defense products, platforms and systems covering unmanned aerial systems, loitering munitions, counter drone systems, unmanned ground vehicles, as well as electronic warfare and cyber technologies. German startup Viama has picked 6-year-old Belgian venture Aerospace Lab to build a third small satellite for its proposed space debris monitoring constellation. The 60-kilogram spacecraft will be ready for a launch to low Earth orbit from the end of 2025, where it would help track debris in LEO and geostationary orbit. Part of a planned 12 satellite constellation called Flamingo, the spacecraft would use optical telescopes to track and catalog debris passively, including LEO objects larger than 10 centimeters. LEO Labs has announced plans to build a new type of radar under a $1.245 million contract. LEO Labs has established a global network of radars to track spacecraft and debris in low Earth orbit. The network includes S-band radars shaped like a snowboard halfpipe and flat UHF radars in Texas and Alaska. The S-band 2D direct radiating array is also used for tracking rocket launches and spacecraft in very low Earth orbit. ISRO has announced a joint Indo-French infrared Earth observation satellite mission, TRISHNA, which stands for Thermal Infrared Imaging Satellite for High-Resolution Natural Resource Assessment, to monitor surface temperature and water management around the world. The mission will study water presence and concentration, as well as dynamics including melting glaciers in various parts of the biosphere, quantifying water being used on land and how. The satellite will also monitor thermal anomalies and spikes, emission of heat from land, surface energy, urban heat islands, and other global parameters. It is currently set to launch in 2025 with an expected lifespan of 5 years. And with that, we come to the end of this live bulletin. See you next week with more geospatial news from around the world. Have a good day.